Welcome back. We're here in Drake, Colorado today, installing our backsplash in our kitchen remodel. We're using a Mosaic Tile. This is the Jeffrey Court Elegant Trail pencil style, and it's a slate mix with a glass tile as well. Very nice mix. So we just wanted to show you a couple minutes of our progress. We've got our hardy back installed. We're actually finishing up around the backsplash right here and coming around over here to the other side of the countertop. So we're getting ready to work our way that way. We've got about 6 or 7 square feet installed over here, and we're getting ready to fill in our little smaller pieces on the end here, our corner pieces, and work our way into the window bay right in this area over the sink. So that's about as far as we've got. We're gonna just keep on cruising. Another 4 or 5 more hours and we'll have most of it done in this area, and then we'll work our way around, finish up around the kitchen island, which we custom built, and we'll finish up the backsplash underneath here and this little area right here around the log. So thanks for tuning in to the log cabin remodel once again here in beautiful Drake, Colorado. Beautiful sunny April afternoon. And again, thanks for joining in. We'll leave you with a close-up of our Mosaic slate and glass mixed tile install.